Moist chocolate cake recipe: flour, white sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, water, coconut oil, milk, black coffee, baking soda, baking powder. Step 1. First, put the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Make sure to sift the flour, white sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda and black coffee. Then, mixed and set aside. Step 2. Add wet ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Put the egg, milk, coconut oil and water. Then mix. Pour a little vanilla essence. Step 3. Combined dry and wet ingredients. Mixed well until smooth. Step 4. Grease the pan with oil, then spread. Place the parchment paper in the pan. Afterwards, put the chocolate mixture. Preheat oven to 150 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Lastly, put chocolate batter in the oven. Bake for 1 hour at 150 degrees Celsius.